Yo, what up, YouTube gang? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. Check it out. We out here today. Got a C10 out here, man. I've been slacking. I haven't been on YouTube like I supposed to, man. You know, I just been lazy. But check it out. We out here though. All right, so check it out. I got this C10, man. We just did the Terminator X EFI install. All right. So what I got going on now is I got my Holley Sniper EFI fuel rail. Got these injectors in. I went ahead and put a little light dab of oil on my rag over here, and I just moisturized the rings so that they can seat in the rails properly. Make sure they get all the way up in there nice and snug, you know what I'm saying? Now we're getting ready to get this hardware kit installed. This is my other fuel rail right here, as you can see. All right, boom, looking good. Got a hardware kit. Let's see. All right, so we got all our other stuff right here. As you can see right there, we got our there we go. All right, so we got our line right here. It comes with the kit. It also comes with our hardware for securing the rail, and it comes with AN fittings. All right, so they sent me, this is the second one I received. The first one came with one rail. So they just sent me another one complimentary, you know, with everything in it. So I got two in a 1.5 kit. All right, so I got some spare parts and everything. But anyway, we got the EFI hooked up. I got everything connected. You know, just gotta get the little things in, man. I'm gonna get my fuel rail in, get the fueling situated, and get this up out of here more than likely, because you know this is I got the Holley EFI tank in the rear. So we got the tank back here already with the 60 psi fuel pump underneath there. The Terminator X kit only calls for 45 psi, so we're gonna definitely have to go to fuel rail on this. But I already checked my power to the fuel pump, and it is working. All right, starter solenoid is working. I checked that. I didn't try the starter or nothing like that, and I haven't powered up my ECM yet because I don't want to initiate any fueling, anything in the fuel system just yet. But all right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get this fuel rail put in, and we're gonna go from there, man. But yo, we are full-fledged on the way. We're gonna get this thing going this year. I've been sitting on it for a couple years now, but we ain't sitting on it no more. All right, so as you can see also, man, I got the brakes. I got the Wheelwood brake kit in here. Man, we done so much Wheelwood stuff in here, it's ridiculous, man. We got the 14-inch big brake kit from Wheelwood up under here. Just got all that stuff done. I show some clips right here. All right, so you see how that's looking? Check out that's what we're going with right here. We're going with the Hydro Booster from POL. Just look them up, POL. I ordered this thing in January. I didn't get it till like almost 3.5 months later. It was on back order with some parts, but we got it. So we finally moving on with that. But yeah, a lot of beauty under here, man. A lot of beauty. If you're gonna be going with drive-by-wire when you order your Hornets, let them know you don't need the TPS and the idle air control. Let's see. Yeah, TPS and idle air control. You don't need none of that because drive-by-wire, you know, all that's already controlled by the drive-by-wire. But anyway, man, stay tuned. Let's get this thing. Let's get to it. Man, installation is easy, man. This is a hardware kit. It's just simply you take these bolts that come with it and secure your right angle right here, your 90-degree mounting apparatus hardware. It's gonna go like that though. Screw is gonna go through it. It's a 5mm, and then you take your factory bolts and you put them through there. Well, actually, it looks like it comes with enough. These factory bolt heads are too big and they're ugly. Okay, so will this fit? Yeah, that fits. So 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it comes with enough bolts where we can replace the factory ones as well as secure the bracket to the point of the intake where the factory ones go. So everything's working out smooth, man. It's going to be a real nice clean install. As you can see, the logo is going to be on the outside on both sides. Perfect. Can't ask for anything more. Just going to finish wrapping this thing on up. Man, we out here getting this fuel rail on. Got it all bolted up, looking all snazzy and stuff. Just ordered me some adapters, man. Got to go from a -8 to a 6. Get all this plumbing right. Get this stuff back in order, man. Stay tuned.